Hey everybody, it's lunchtime, and this morning I was out tending to my garden and I found these two itty bitty little cucumbers out there, and I had a chicken breast in my refrigerator, so I poached that. And now we're gonna make a Greek style chicken salad. Back in the day, I used to make all kinds of chicken salad: grape and walnut, cranberry and walnut, buffalo chicken, all different takes on chicken salad, and it was a lot of fun. And I never did this Greek one, but we're gonna try it. I had some feta in the fridge. I have these cucumbers. I have some red onion. I have some black olives, some spinach, I'm not sure. And we're gonna serve it up in some pita pockets or just on a plate. And let's do it. I know it's chicken salad, but we're gonna Greek up the dressing. And because you like to do the dressing ahead of time so it has time to get its flavors together, we're gonna do that first. The first thing we're gonna do is zip it up with some lemon juice. Forgot to shake it. We don't need a whole lot because it's going to be a mayonnaise base, and some champagne vinegar. And then we're going to season this with some salt and pepper, some dried oregano, a little less dried basil because basil is more Italian than Greek, and some chopped garlic, a little spoonful of Dijon mustard. That'll zip it up and bind it up. We're gonna whisk this together. Because this is chicken salad, it's gonna be a mayonnaise-based dressing, not an oil and vinegar based, but like I say, we tried to Greek it up a little bit. And I am gonna add just a little bit of olive oil. I don't want it to be too thin and too mushy. So whisk this together too. Smells pretty Greekish. Now in comes our mayo. That should be enough, says the bottle. Whisk that in too. This seems a little thin, so let's see what we're gonna do about that. Maybe I shouldn't have added that oil to it, but let's give it a taste. Our dressing is done. I added a little more mayonnaise. I like the consistency better. And now we're going to make our chicken salad. Here's our poached chicken, chopped up chicken salad size. And our cucumbers and red onion. I got more cucumbers coming, so you'll be seeing other recipes using cucumbers coming up. You know, I saved some salt and pepper for this, but because the dressing is very well seasoned, I'm not going to bother. And then we have some chopped baby spinach. And I don't want to put these in here because I do not like Kalamata olives, but they're Greek, so gotta do it. And we're gonna mix these together. I have always said, and you may have heard before, but your best tool is your hands. You can use these fingers to get things really well mixed. And looking nice, pretty Greek. It's gonna taste good. Next thing that's going in is a little bit of feta cheese that's crumbled. That should do it. And now we're gonna add some of our dressing, not all of it. We're gonna mix some in first and see what kind of consistency we have, and then we're gonna adjust it as we go. So a little of this. And let's see how we do. Going in with our hands again, working it around. Gonna need some more. Definitely. But let's give it a taste first and see where we're at. This was a fun idea and I hope it's gonna taste good, so let's do it. Delicious, but we need a little more dressing. In we go. That should be good. And I'm not wasting another pair of gloves, so I got this nice flat spoon to mix this up. And it's crunchy and tangy and zippy with the lemon juice and the vinegar and all that, all the seasonings and stuff. And like I say, it's very Greek. And now we're gonna serve it up. I had a couple of different serving ideas for this chicken salad. I thought if you are a keto-friendly type person, you might wanna just serve it on a bed of baby spinach or some chopped up lettuce or something, and eat it with a knife and fork. You could garnish it with a little diced tomato or something like that, which would be really nice. Let's do it. I just happen to have some Roma tomatoes in my fridge, so this is gonna look good on top. And that will make a nice keto-friendly lunch Greek salad. My first thought for me would be to serve it in a pita pocket. These are small little store-baked pita breads from the fresh market. This is a little stiff. I'm gonna zap it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to soften it. It worked to make it more pliable. And now we're gonna fill it with some of this zippy chicken salad. And you could add tomatoes and lettuce to this too, because it is a sandwich. And there you have it inside the pita pocket. I'm gonna push it down a little bit with the spoon. And then we're gonna take a bite. Here's our Greek chicken salad pita pocket. And I had some French fries in my freezer. I'm cooking them in the air fryer right now, and that's what we're gonna accompany these with. It's gonna be a happy lunch. Thank you for joining me while I played with some inspiration that came from my garden, and the garden is getting more and more. Pretty soon I'm gonna have green beans and all kinds of other stuff, and hopefully the tomatoes are gonna take a while. But anyway, we're working on it, and we'll get some more stuff going, and Flatbread Friday's coming up in a couple of days, and we'll see you then, and we'll have do more stuff in the meantime maybe. And thanks again for joining me. Have a good one.